Hey traders, Nick here looking at how to manage a winning trade. So markets are crazy. Today is the 25th of March. We've had huge rallies 2 days in a row ahead of some tremendous potentially bad news. So I wanted to see how I can manage winning trades. So if somebody bought the quote bottom, this is the IWM. Let me go to, whoops. Okay, weekly is fine. If somebody bought the bottom, and one way to bet on a recovery is to bet on a recovery to the neckline, which is about 140 or whatever. But sometimes you just do it without any science. VIX was so high that if you wanted to buy cheap lotto, you have to step away from current price, which is kind of like a losing strategy. But anything is possible. Given the last 2 days, we clearly see that that is a reality. So I'm going to share a specific situation that I had. I bought lottery tickets at 142. In the IWM. I paid, I want to say 70 cents. I think it was 59, but anyway, let's go with 70 cents. It is now $1.50. So clearly, I doubled my money basically, so I can book it. I bought it, it's got 140, these are August, by the way. It has 150 days on the clock, 49. So quick win, I could book it and reopen it if I wanted to trade it. But if I wanted to stay in it, what can I do? I can do a lot of things. So the first thing is you can lock in some profits. The way I would do that is by spreading the position. What does that mean? Selling against it, another call. And in this case, I can go up to 149. I checked it. I thought I grabbed it anyway. And that is still more than what I paid for it. So if I sell the 149 for the same period of time, then I end up with a free, if not got paid, to enter a 142, 149 debit call spread. So usually they call it debit call spread or bull call spread, is because you pay something and then you have a maximum reward. In this case, I don't pay anything because I set it up in two segments. I bought first, and then days later I got lucky and I could sell the higher one for more than what I paid for mine. So in essence, I'm getting paid. It's a no-lose situation. I cannot lose because I didn't pay anything for it, and I can win $7 per contract. So that's one way to lock in the profits. I can do the same only with a calendar. What does that mean? Instead of selling this, I would sell this. I would collect less. I'm going to estimate 50 cents for that. Maybe even more actually, because I would sell it at 142 to make a calendar. So I go this way in time to May and sell the 142, same level. Or I would go this way to May and sell the 144 or 145. Then it'll be a diagonal. So this will be a calendar call spread, and this would be a diagonal call spread. Just because you go diagonally, you don't sell the same side. Mind you, I bought this. It's called the calendar because I go this way to May, or I go this way to May. You see what I'm trying to say? So this would be a calendar way to do it. This would be a diagonal way to do it. What's the advantage in the diagonal? The advantage is if it goes to 1,000,000, I still make some money. Here, if it goes to 1,000,000, I'm crimped because I'm long and short at the same level. But in this case, since I legged into it, I still make money. But this is easier to manage. But it's more money at risk because I'm collecting less. So it all depends on personal preference. But these are tricks that somebody can do in order to, quote, lock in some profits by staying long. Okay, so these are not recommendations, by the way. I'm sharing one particular situation. This is me and how I would manage it. Or I would just let it rip. If I don't have a lot of longs in that account, I don't have enough longs, so I'm just letting it rip. What does that mean? I'm just going to play it out another day and see what happens. Maybe I'll do that the next day. Markets are open, and I'm looking left, and it doesn't look like they're going to let go before the close. But, anyway, the people are saying, well, why is it rallying so much? Why is Boeing up 30% today? Well, he was down 20% in 2 days or 3 days. So that wasn't normal. This is not normal either. So anywhere in between lies the truth. So don't be surprised on the way up or the way down. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. Nick signing out.